Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bibi Mira here. If you're new, do the needful and subscribe to my channel. And if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw brows, 3 different styles of brows with just your white pencil, contour brush or concealer brush, your spoolie and concealer. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, the 3 brain signs are going to be straight, curved and soft arc. So stay tuned and watch the magic. Use the eye pencil to fill it in, and then let's do the second brow. We are trying to make it straight so that there will be no form. Then it's straight right now, so the next thing to do is to use your concealer and align it. So using the concealer brush, I have to align my brows with my concealer.
Don't bless me, nobody fi curse me. Baba God don't bless me, nobody fi test me. Ebere mole kejo, kejo, kejo. Ebere mole kejo, kejo, kejo. I give God the thanks, I give God the glory. I give God the thanks, I give God the glory. Too many things, too many things, too many things. Bad man people wanna stop my way. Bad man people wanna stop my way. They wanna stop me shining. They wanna stop me shining. Ìwọ ń ṣayé tirẹ̀, èmi ń ṣayé tèmi. Ìwọ ń ṣayé tirẹ̀, èmi ń ṣayé tèmi. Olúwa don bless me now. Olúwa don bless me. Nobody fit curse me.
So when you're done with aligning it, use your spoolie brush to brush it out to make sure everything is. And there we go. This is the straight eyebrow. Like this. So guys, the second style is the curved style. Make sure there is no arc. Then fill it using the same eye pencil.
Baba God don't bless me. Nobody fit test me. Ebere mole kejo, kejo, kejo. Ebere mole kejo, kejo. kejo, kejo. Early in the morning is money that I'm thinking. Enter the club, we scatter the floor. All the sexy ladies wanna meet me. All bad guys, then they fear me. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na na na.
Ta-na-nan. It's time to align. So I'm back to align my curvy brow.
Why they mock me, Anna? Why they mock me? Hey, 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 hey. Oluwa don't bless me. Nobody fit curse me. Baba God don't bless me. Nobody fit test me.
So guys, there is a huge difference between the straight and curved. You all know that by looking at this. So back to the second one.
Iwájú la máa lọ o, la máa lọ. Lókè la máa lọ o, la máa lọ. Aṣíwájú lọmọ, aṣíwájú la wà. Respect to my father, respect to my mother. Yeah, yeah. Oluwa don bless me, nobody fit curse me.
So after contouring, use your spoolie brush to align it properly and make sure your natural brows are intact. So guys, here you go. This is the curved brow. So guys, the last but not the least is the soft arc. So let's get started. Now this is where we have to define the arc. So you go up a bit to define your arc, and then down. Go up a bit to define the arc again. Note, the arc is not going to be too obvious because it's a soft arc. Maybe probably in another tutorial I'll give you guys other styles which will include the arc, like the main arc, no longer the soft. So fill it using the same eye pencil. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Something here, go up, you define your arc, come down. So that is it. So guys, it's time to come.
Nation, you don't know, be that why.
So guys, after aligning it with your concealer, just use your spoolie 2. And that's it. This is the soft arc. We've come to an end of this lovely tutorial. I hope this video helped a lot. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.